In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show listening activity on Spotify. If you'd like your friends and followers to see what you're playing in real time, there's a simple setting in Spotify that controls this. Turning it on lets your current tracks appear in places like the Friends Activity feed on desktop, and it helps others discover music through you. Here's the idea. We're going to head into Spotify's settings, open the Privacy and Social section, and switch on Listening Activity. That's it. I'll walk you through how to find it on any device and share a few helpful tips along the way. Open Spotify on your phone, tablet, desktop app, or web player. Go to Settings. On mobile, that's the gear icon, usually in the top right of your home tab. On desktop, click your profile picture or the menu in the top corner and choose Settings. Once you're in, look for Privacy and Social. Inside that section, find Listening Activity and turn it on. When the toggle is enabled, your recent plays can be visible to people who follow you, and the app will start sharing what you're listening to as you go. If you're curious whether it worked, give it a minute or two. The Friends Activity panel on desktop may need a short refresh before it updates. Also remember that others still have to follow you to see your updates, and the Friends Activity feed itself is a desktop feature. Even if you're turning this on from your phone, your listening can appear in your friend's desktop feed as long as they follow you. A quick tip if your activity isn't showing: make sure Private Session is turned off. Private Session temporarily stops sharing what you play, even if listening activity is on. You'll find Private Session in the same Privacy and Social area. Turn it off to resume sharing. Also, note that enabling listening activity doesn't publish your past history. It only shares what you play from now on. If you're on desktop and don't see the Friends Activity panel at all, check that the panel is enabled and not collapsed on the right side of the app window. Expanding it can help you confirm that your updates are coming through. And that's all there is to it. To show listening activity on Spotify, go to Settings, open Privacy and Social, and switch listening activity on. You can toggle it off anytime if you want more privacy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your music.